What we are being asked to do in this situation is consider when we have a function f of x, in this case 3x plus 2, and a function g of x, in this case 2x minus 4. Then we need to find f plus g, f minus g, f times g, and f divided by g. So your job is to take the function f of x and the function g of x, add them together, subtract them, multiply them, and divide them. First, let's add them. F plus g. So I take function f, 3x plus 2. I like putting a parenthesis around it to help me remember what function f is. Plus, that's this plus, g, which is 2x minus 4. Then I just combine like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2. So my final answer for f plus g is 5x minus 2. One thing we usually like to do when we add two functions together is list what their domain is. And the domain of f plus g, 5x minus 2, is all real numbers negative infinity to positive infinity. Now let's do f minus g. So f, 3x plus 2, minus, this minus, minus, 2x minus 4. Notice I put both functions in parentheses. Now I have 3x plus 2, then this minus distributes. Minus times positive 2x is negative 2x. Minus times minus 4 is positive 4. Then I simplify. 3x minus 2x is just x. 2 plus 4 is 6. So f minus g is x plus 6. And once again, the domain of x plus 6 is all real numbers, negative infinity to positive infinity. Now f times g. This is f. This is g. I'm multiplying them. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times negative 4 is minus 12x. 2 times 2x is 4x. And 2 times negative 4 is 8, negative 8. So then I just combine those. 6x squared. 12x plus 4x is negative 8x. Excuse me. Negative 12x plus 4x is negative 8x. And negative 8 is negative 8. And the domain for 6x squared minus 8x minus 8 is all real numbers negative infinity to infinity. Then finally, f divided by g. Well, that's simply I put f on the top divided by g on the bottom, and there's no real simplification. However, the domain of this function, I have to be careful about where the bottom of the fraction, the denominator, is equal to 0. So I set the bottom equal to 0, 2x minus 4 equals 0, and I solve for x. When I do that, I get x equals 2. So the domain of f divided by g is all real numbers not equal to x equals 2. Because once again, if I put in 2 for the bottom of f divided by g, I'd have 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 4, which is 0, and I'd be dividing by 0. You will have similar homework that's asking you to do a similar type thing, and you can follow these steps.